sitting here. Found out Kobe Bryant just died. Probably the saddest day of my life ever. Rest in peace, that man Kobe. This is crazy. Right after LeBron passes his scoring record, this nigga dies. I need to smoke a cigarette for this one. My favorite basketball player of all time, ever. All my passwords, you know, will be Kobe something. Kobe. But this is really sick. They're supposed to be investigating the death now. That's just crazy. Right after LeBron passes his scoring record. There's 3 other people in the helicopter. I wonder if his daughter died. That'll be sick. It's gonna be a different feeling when I'm shooting shit in the trash now, screaming Kobe. Anyway, I thought I'd make this video, say rest in peace to my nigga, the GOAT, Kobe.
Skinny nigga, I left them